Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to set an alarm on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on, if you want to set an alarm, click on this plus icon. After click on this plus icon, so you will see set alarm from here. After set alarm, set AM PM and decide days from here and select sound from here. After select sound, click on save. You will see alarm is set. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set an alarm on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.